Hi everyone, this is Samay. Welcome back to my channel. That's my life. I wanted to make a video on how to make a cloth mask. But then I realized that many people may not be able to print out my pattern and they might not know how to make one. So I'm making this video to show you how to make the pattern for a cloth mask. If you have a printer, you can use the link below to download a free pattern. And then go to part 2 of this series where I show you how to sew a face mask. Let's get started. I'm using plain paper, so I'm drawing some guidelines to help me create a pattern. First, I'm starting off by drawing 6.5 inch by 4.5 inch box. And then I'm drawing a line down the middle of the length and the middle of the width. So now that you have made a pattern, let's go to part 2 and sew the cloth mask. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more video. See you in the next video.